Is not doing hot. DraftKings is fucking getting mollied. We looking like we're opening up down 0.5% already. DraftKings is getting fucking beat up again. TBT, that means the contracts are killing it. I just needed to go to 28, and then I think I'll just burn half of them. Airbnb might go positive though. McDonald's is green. DraftKings is they were positive. They just went red. TBT moving. Dude, TBT's up almost 3%, 2.5%. Apple's green. Tesla just went green. Ooh, bonds are down 1.2. That might come back towards the end of the day and really remind people. Amazon's even red. Aquestive Therapeutic all-time lows. Damn. That motherfucker just hit $1. What? $1.25. $1.25 on Aquestive Therapeutic. Wow. That's sad. That's sad. Gives people a good time to fix those averages out there. All the good earnings are giving it up. I'm not liking this. None of them are really holding up too well. Oh man, I'm not feeling hot this morning. Damn it, this is gonna be a quick 30-minute stream. I gotta shut it down at like 7:05. 410 on the SPY. Come on, Roblo, keep coming down, baby. Damn, those Roblo ones got expensive on the call side. What the fuck? They were not going for that much the other day. Just gonna go for shares on Roblo, I think. Wheat is still going. It was down this morning. Microsoft's down 1%. XOM, Oxy, and they're all moving. Leonard, how you? I read the chat. I sold everything yesterday. I wish I didn't sell BBIG. Everything else sucks. Yeah. But, well, hopefully you made, got a little bit of your money back on it. But hell, I feel you. A lot of people have been, thinking about selling or have been selling. Excuse me, that was not nice. Remember, like I said last year, I think that 2022 was going to be a big year for selling. And it definitely is not fucking letting me down on that prediction. Son of a bitch. No. Hopefully you feeling better, cuz. Oh, yeah, I'm feeling a lot better now, man. I was getting these cluster headaches last week, and I had that fever. It was all bad. This fucking, the damn sun, and I think it's my glasses, though. I need to switch my glasses up or go back and see the doctors, because it's been stressing my eyes out. Blood red. Yes, blood red. It's good. It's a good time, though. Fix those averages out there. It's a good time to, think about repositioning yourself. Not, start repositioning just yet. I mean, maybe a dabble a little bit here and there. But we still got a long way to go. Until the SPY hits 460, that's when I will be more bullish. And when the SPY hits 360, 380, I think that's when I'll be less bearish. Market fucked up. Oh, he sure is. It sure is. But hell, it was kind of expected, though. I mean, hell, the huge run-up we saw, this bitch is tired. buying. Crypto's coming. Joe Byron. Yeah, BBIG. I don't know what I'm gonna do with BBIG, Leonard. I think I'm gonna just start, not like right now immediately, but hopefully we get a little bit of bounce later on towards the end of the year. But hell, a lot of these bags got turned into some long holds, especially the ones that I bought last year. But it's not looking good right now, especially with anything with good earnings. DraftKings earnings wasn't too bad. I mean, they're selling off. Average down on my AMC. There you go. Maybe I'll. Hey, Aquested Therapeutic just hit all-time low. Leonard, $1.25. Yeah, I'm not actually focusing more on Gemprix. I mean, I still like Aquested Therapeutic, but I think Gemprix has more of an opportunity to do stuff long term, just because they had the Keytruda little partnership, or not partnership, but they were working on the drug for Keytruda, and then the AstraZeneca deal they had in 2020. So I think Gemprix is going to be a good one, just not for short term. Fuck no. It's definitely going to be like a 10-year hold on Gemprix before that one actually even goes anywhere. The end is here. Almost. Ah, shit. Aquested Therapeutic just made another low. $1.24. $1.24. U.S. adds 428,000 jobs in April, but earnings growth cools slightly, indicating inflation is brewing. They need to stop it already. It's coming. I mean, not yet. Not yet. I just think a lot of people are like waiting to buy the bottom, which is a big, I mean, hell, good luck with that. Just dabble a little bit. I would actually wait until after the bottom and then see what the range looks like to start, fixing some of these averages. Oh, Amazon they got beat up. Shit, wheat just kind of came down a little bit. Fucking Roblox, man, my fucking guy. Oh yeah, I mean, hell, that's bad. What is it looking like in a year? Because I know, fuck, yeah, it got bad. Hell, anybody who bought a year ago, they got fucking just wrung. They just got wrung. Hell, I think we were talking about it about what last year, like September, about if you bought in on Amazon a year ago, you would have basically been average, and then now you're fucking you're down a lot. What about Facebook? Facebook was starting to give it up too. It's only been 9 minutes too. I hope everybody realizes that. 9 minutes and we got shit falling like this, and then the bonds are not doing, they're not doing great. I mean, you got TLT at 114. TLT needs to relax already. It's gotten pretty aggressive over there with TLT. Yeah, Facebook is coming back. The S&P had 1.3 trillion yesterday worth of volume. That's crazy. Hey, yo, bro, you know what? This is not funny no more. This is not funny no more. When are they gonna fucking stop fucking around now? But it feels just like 2018 though, all over again. The way it played out with the rate hikes and everything. Like, we got smacked, and then we kind of, had to. We got knocked out, and then once we woke up, things were a little bit better. HYMC Gold, isn't that fucking that AMC one? Good. But what happened with your boy Trey? I seen a video the other day. It was very weird. I got very weirded out. Damn, look at all that red. I don't know how I missed this. Like, how did I miss all that right there? I wasn't like looking at it, and fuck. I'm still like, we'll have an idea of when things are almost towards the end of being bad once breakers start popping. Until the breakers pop, I mean, I don't really think anything's really too crazy. Where's the UVXY though? I mean, they're talking about forced liquidations on Wall Street already. I don't know if anybody's realized that. Like, it's the same selling patterns from the pandemic. Like, they're watching people just selling shit, and they don't even know They're being forced to, basically. There's 86 companies in the biotech index that are trading below their cash value. Let that sink in for a minute. Think about that. Some of these companies in the biotech have more money in cash than they do have in their fucking in their market cap. Cause that happened in was it 99? 2001, 2000, I don't know. I wasn't trading that long, but I came across an article where it was it potentially could lead to more downside, like they saw in 2000. I mean, you got people that are just selling shit under cash value just to have cash to hold it, which is crazy. It's crazy. Oh, it's crazy. I'll just hold my silver and gold. Like, hell, a lot of motherfuckers just started investing. Like, what? Like, what the fuck is the VIX doing? The VIX is fucking scamming motherfuckers over there, though. It's only at 34. And then the VIX really hasn't got going either. Like, the VIXy really needs to, it needs to get a lot higher than 34. 34, 38, that really isn't a whole lot of fear. We need at like 47, 50. Oil's like, even oil gave it up. Son of a bitch. I thought oil would have held us up a little bit. Yeah, where's Bitcoin? Bitcoin. I mean, yeah, all the VIX is moving a little bit. Yeah, it's not pretty right now. Hell, even son of a bitch. U.S. Steel back at 27. Shopify just hit a new low of the day. Oh, that's bad. Shop's down 10%. Like, that's the one leading the way to the downside. Oh, DraftKings just sold everything off. That's bullshit. Anything under 407, that'll be 405 is where we need to be. Like, 405 is gonna be crazy. So yeah, what else is going on out there in the world? But on a good note, we do get a bunch of Fed speakers today. I think even Bowler's supposed to speak. Bullard. Damn, Rocket Mortgage just hit an all-time low, $8.40. Son of a bitch. MO is at 55. Oh. Wait. I don't think the market's even oversold just yet. This is what we need though. We need to trim back on the fat. Like, there's so much fat that needs to be burned, cut off, whatever way you want to say it, but there's a lot. Like, we're not even oversold yet on the SPY on the 1 day. Like, I mean, but you know, it's a good time. Oh, we're going straight down to it. We're gonna flush that shit. 407.08. It's only been fucking what? 26 minutes? No, it's only been 16 minutes of the trading day. What? Oh, everything's getting dragged down right now. But tech is trying to hold on. Because Apple, I think, is only down a small amount, right? Yeah, Apple's only down 1 point. Oh, what the fuck? Roblox. I feel your pain, Nancy. I feel your pain. Ooh, man, she bought in the money contracts too at 100, 105, huh? She paid a lot for those motherfuckers. Damn, there's some Nvidia and some SEC shit hitting the wire right now. Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute. Oh shit, these contracts got pretty cheap over here. Look at that. That's $100. $100 for the 200 strike, 623 days. But I mean, hell, I think it can continue to come down more though. Oh fuck, there it is. SPY just hit 406. It's coming to 405 real fast. Oh, it's gonna snap. Something to break. Oh shit, 406.20. Hey, this is too early for this shit to be happening though. Like we're only what 17 minutes in. This is 2% move. Oh yeah, our troops are officially involved in the war. Oh man, it was gonna happen. Like the narrative is so stupid. What do you mean we're not a part of it? They're using our javelins. They're using all of our tech. Like you gotta be one dumb motherfucker not to think we're using it against you. Come on. Dogecoin at fucking 12 cents. It's about to hit 11. I'm telling you, Dogecoin's gonna end up coming back down to like 7 cents, maybe 5. The way this shit's going. But if we get a bounce, it'll be pretty big. Well, I think the best way this could turn out is if we ended the day flat. That would be the best bet. Yeah, because people are feeling like, Dude, I'm getting heartburn right now. Just from looking at all this red, I'm getting heartburn. Damn, DraftKings. Yeah, see, that's how you know everything's fucked up, because DraftKings had great earnings and they just gave it up. Like even with all the companies that had pretty good earnings that weren't too bad, it's just not holding shit up. Fucking Squid Games. Citrix Workdays updater. Why is this shit popping up on this computer for? It's supposed to be on the other computer. Yeah, we're already involved in that shit over there. I mean, and then who was it? I forgot what news fucking said that we're using our intel to, take out generals or some shit. And then now you got the DOD saying that is a lie. Wait a minute, what? You mean to tell me the news is lying? No, they don't lie. Or they might. Or is it the government? I don't know. Oh shit. No, we're going to the Wuhan zone. Remember the Wuhan? Oh no. Damn, I can't believe how long this is dragging out for. Damn, if he keeps this shit up though in May, that's gonna be another historic event. Cause usually May don't really see any activity at all. But hell, it's not gonna help though. Motherfuckers be selling and going away in May. Like, this just gives even people more of a reason to hurry up and get the hell out. That's already 2.5% or 2% moves in both directions. And then with TLT coming back up, and it wouldn't even be good if the market started coming up either, because you don't want to correlate. Walgreens is up 1.6 though. They're struggling to hold on. DD, $1.79. Apparently they're all getting delisted again. Walmart got a price target upgrade today. Who else is out there? Fucking. Damn, SESN 59. I don't even want to look at the fucking. Oh man, that's great. Damn, I thought the bleeding was over a few days ago. I was like, well, hopefully the hemorrhaging stopped, because it looked like the portfolio leveled out a little bit. But no, it definitely didn't fucking stop. Everything's giving it back up. SPY's about to hit 405. Damn, we have 406.09. And then Apple still has a lot more meat to give up. Damn. See that? Like, we're almost back at pre-pandemic levels on Amazon. I mean, hell, hey, with a good note, we're almost there. We're almost there where all the fat needs to be trimmed off. PayPal hits a 52-week low, 81.28. AMC hit 13. I don't even see, like, there's not even any hype. There's no momentum out there running around anywhere. Uber's the only one. I mean, TLT going up is positive. That'll kind of help us out. Oh, Uber's down a lot. We're about to hit the next low, or it's testing it at least. We're like a quarter percent away from it. Facebook is giving up some more. Is that 35,000 on Bitcoin? Yeah, it sure the fuck is, huh? I thought I was. Yeah, mollywopped would be correct. Dude, I thought I was tripping. I'm like, looking at it, Bitcoin. I'm like, is that a 35? Damn. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that first 20-30 minutes has pretty much jacked anybody's contract up out there. I mean, you just got fucked up if you bought any calls. $12 load zone for AMC. AMC. Oh, wow. That just, wow. You guys remember I was talking about this line right here? That's Bobby where we'll end up coming down to. That was a long time ago, though. If it breaks through this line right here, I'll probably get a little bit more interested in AMC. If it breaks through that one, I'm saying 1150 maybe. I think when I buy on it was 1020. I think I actually have a buy order for an AMC. Wow, never mind. They already canceled it. That was a long time ago. Dude, the contract I bought is dead. Like, dead. It's worth nothing right now. Literally nothing. 60. Hey, oh shit, they added more strikes to it though. They added the 90. I mean, it's not completely dead. It's still worth about $200. I paid fucking $900 for fucking I only bought one of these ones though. See, we can get a little mini bounce right there, but 406.09. VWAP's at like 408.650. All right, well, there's a little bit of light. We got AMD just went green. That one just popped. Fuck, Ford just done, dude. Should have got a hedge. Should have got a put on Ford when I talked about it. I don't know why I didn't. That bounce didn't last at all. We're back at 406.25. NASDAQ is down 2.6. ARK is down 7%. Oh, the Yang is up though. Yeah, the Yang's up. Look at this. You guys can't see this monitor. Never mind. It's wild. Yeah, this is getting pretty aggressive. So, who wants to still trade, huh? Anybody? Anybody? I'm like, so you just buy and hold. Don't worry about it. That's why I've been keeping it small for the past, like, I don't know how many months. Like, just 1, 2, 3 contracts and just a couple shares here and there. I haven't really been doing a whole lot because, fuck, I've been, I've been expecting this kind of bullshit to happen. I've been waiting for it. There we go. What's going on, Acid? Good morning, man. How are we doing? How's your day going? How we feeling? I know I'm feeling fucking fantastic. Even though everything is completely red out there, it's great. It's fucking great. Because it's about time it's happened. BBIG's at $3. Like, who the fuck is this? The Cetus space? Oh, we're breaking. Oh, yeah, we're fucked. One more point, and we hit the low, and this shit's gonna fucking just sell off, and it's a new year on the, that's a new low on the year. That's a new low on the fucking, This is just like last Monday though, or on Monday. 405.73. I don't know if it's gonna be able to hold it. Also, some good news. I lost my job yesterday, so it looks like I am now living off the market. What do you mean you lost your job? He's on a good note. Fucking ass, man. I love this guy, man. He's always fucking a ray of sunshine wherever he goes. That's a good way to look at it. At least you get to do what you wanted to do, like we talked about, right? Just, get those. This is almost the perfect time to acid. Not right now to start, trading right now, but I would wait a little bit longer, and then do your little plan like we spoke about. Just have a strict set of rules and do not deviate from them rules. And you'll be good to go, acid. You'll be good, man. You got a good head on your head. You know where you got, you ain't dumb, that's for damn sure. Some of the things we talked about, you got pretty good ideas. Oh, well, speaking of that, where's the UVXY? Is the UVXY up? I mean, it's got to be up now. Should listen to Acid when he said grab the UVXY. That was a good one, man. Yeah, sorry to hear about that, Acid, but at least you get to do what we spoke about. But I hope everything works out for the best. It usually does, man. It usually does. I vouch for that, especially from a guy who's lost everything twice or 3 times. Can't remember no more. I can't even remember no more. Not self-inflicted though. Yeah, that's fucked up. A lot of those work from home ones, yeah, they're starting to get fucking just clipped. I know they were talking about it where my wife works too, but she wants to leave her job anyways. Oh, well, she wants to leave her job anyways. She's tired of that shit. Yeah, all I gotta do is throw the house, the kitchen sink, and the kids at the market, and I'll be fine here. Take my wife too. No. I'm gonna keep the girlfriend though. You can't have the girlfriend. Yeah, you'll be good, bro. If you need any help or anything, man, you got my number, man. You reach out, let me know. Help you out as much as I can. All right, we got a little bounce, but I don't know if it's gonna hold. The way it's looking on this 1 second chart over here, it's looking rough. It is looking so bad right now. Oh, we might get a bounce here, though. We might get a bounce. What the fuck did I just hear? There's an echo in the background somewhere. That's a lot of red, though. But we're getting there. It's perfect time, though, Acid. Perfect time, man. You just sit down, get your rolls, and then... Like, hell. We just need to come down some more. How's your UVXY play working out for you so far? Did you sell it or are you holding on to it? AMD is coming back up. There we go. Yo, wait a minute. Oh, these fucking contracts. Yo, whoa. I mean, there's a possibility we could get a rally towards the end of the day, though. Like your kids or your wife, because they throwing everything at the market day and night. They're not lying either, because I mean, you got people doing forced liquidation, like they're forceful selling shit. They're calling brokers and telling them to sell everything. Why, sir? Because I want the money out, but you're gonna take a loss. I don't care. I just want my money back. Like they're selling shit below market value. It's crazy. It's crazy. The SPY's gonna come down. Fuck, that was short-lived. I ain't gonna give nobody no false hope. I think this is gonna just get rough. Of when to play the downside, or maybe start thinking about grabbing a couple with some time on it on the puts, because I mean this has been the longest the VIX or volatility has been around. Like I've never seen it. I mean I've only been trading for like 4 years, but I mean it's historic. I don't think anybody's seen the volatility last this long. Like we're coming on fucking 6 months of fucking volatility. You realize that, right? Like it's just crazy. It shouldn't be like this. But eventually the UVXY will chill. It just needs to rip. And I mean the VIX hasn't really been correlating with the fear. But I think once the fear really does settle in and it starts like correlating it, oh bro, you're gonna print. You're gonna print on the UVXY. But you know, cough cough, you'll make more money on the downside if you play the puts though. Just make sure you know get time on them. AMD's moving. But I hope everybody realizes this though right now. This isn't me, you, not Acid, not Leonard, nobody else getting liquidated. This is fucking not mom and dad. This is the hedge funds. These are the institutional investors that are getting mollywopped. So, you know what I mean? People are just getting clapped right now. So just remember that. I mean, yeah, we're down too, but shit, we ain't down as much as those motherfuckers are. I mean, well, never mind, I'm down a lot, but no. But motherfuckers are just trying to survive right now. I mean, they're cutting anything, everything. Like, motherfuckers are selling everything right now. Everything. Like hell, I mean, I don't know about anybody else in there, but hell, at the end of the day, I mean, there's like certain stocks I would still want to hold on to. Like hell, I don't see me selling Apple ever, not anytime soon, anyways. It's like there would have to be some pretty big fucking something significant would have to happen for me to want to sell my Apple shares. I don't even know what that is. Like, what the fuck? Good. I think there will be a last-ditch shotgun moment for the federal government to pump the market. They're just letting fear sit in. It's bad. Feel bad for Waldo at Bitcoin. Yeah, I do too bad. Oh, it's right. He jumped back in on it. He did jump back in. He's still in there holding it. Tell you, man. Hey, there we go. He's been in it for a year. He's young still. Oh, he's still young. He got a long way to go. That's the good thing about being young. You can blow up an account or two and, you know, come back in and fucking make another one, you know? Shit. When you're, you know, some of these older ones, you can't be, you know, risking blowing up accounts. AMD's still going. Yo, are those really going for $1? No way is that going for $1. It's only like fucking five. Wow, it is. It went for $1. You fucking serious? And let me buy that one for $1? Like, what? Who the hell is? Alright, I guess. Fuck it, I'll run with it. It already jumped up $1. We'll see where that goes. I dropped 1K Wednesday as well to average down. So glad I did. Fuck yeah, man. I'm fucking glad you did too, man. Just stick. Hey, you got a pretty good sick sense out there. Just stick with your gut instincts, man. Just your gut instinct usually goes right. Like, yeah, I should have bought a little. I think I like. I'm just doing that just to fucking play around. Wow. If that really goes and continues to go up above like 97, 98, that's gonna be stupid on AMD. But it's good for the market though. Looks like it's bringing everything back up just a little bit. 96.56. Apple just took off. Yeah, Apple's starting to wake back up. TLT's coming back down. That's good and bad at the same time. Like, what the hell is that? Right, 147. You better stop fucking coming up with these stupid ideas, Isaac. Kept that to myself though. Cause look, we had that nice little bounce coming up, but look at this fucking candle coming back in that's saying no. Where do you guys think you're going? We're not done yet. Came in and just whipped the motherfucker right now. Yeah. I'm just interested to see when the dust is settled, who's still standing and who's still around, and where their demeanor is and how they have evolved. You know, because this is gonna change a motherfucker right here. I hope everybody realizes that, right? Like, if it hasn't already, like, it does something to people, either for the better or for the worst. TBT still killing it though. I mean, that is the only thing out there really saving me right now. Is TBT, the wheat, and a little bit of the oil plays. 88% of the market red. Let me come over here and see what is it we got up on the SPY and what do we got up down. Let me check real quick. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at, you son of a bitch? Damn it. I fucking closed the window on there. Here, let me just see over here. I have answers in the decliner as well. I want to say we got like, oh yeah, no. We got 5,800 names down. I mean, I would just throw in the 529 names that haven't done shit and with down names, basically, you know. So we got about 6,200 names in the hole and 1,600 names trying to make a run for it. What's the average? What is that percentage like? Yeah, you're right around there. Around 90%, 88%, something like that, roughly. But damn, look at that red though. I really do like Airbnb though. Damn it, I forgot to put the Airbnb on that list too. But I'm gonna do another video for Airbnb because Airbnb I think is gonna be a winner. There's a lot of A's up here. There's a lot of A's up here. And then all in all, still have your GME little position over there, acid, and then work on another thing. That way, when it fucking you get your mo ass, you be good to go. Down 133 on Airbnb. Wow. Yo, on a good note, Airbnb, I mean, is kind of back. Never mind, it's below IPO a lot. Just gonna give you an idea though where these ones kind of sit after everything is done though. Give you a on their real value. Cause I mean, so many fucking zombie companies out there that are just bleeding shit dry that don't do nothing. But we'll see how the weekend's gonna hold. I mean, there's we got basically the U.S. troops are like directly, and I mean, we've been directly involved in this shit over here. Anybody out there who thinks we're not, I don't got nothing nice to say. But everything works out in the long run, Acid. You'll be good, bro. Trust what they say. What were they saying before? Trust the process. This is all part of the process. Apple's taking off. Oh wait, I got Apple contracts expiring today. I forgot I grabbed those ones on fucking Monday when everything. What was it? Wednesday. We'll see where this is gonna go though. Amazon starting to pop over there. UVXY is coming back down. It's probably gonna see if it can get a little bounce on the 1886. We are back above VWAP on the SPY, and the 1 second chart is looking a little bit better. Can we get a fucking patch on this? Like, can they fix this shit? Can they fix this shit? Can they can we stop the market, please? Because I'm losing money. No, it doesn't work like that. I think AMD is gonna be the one though. I'm telling you. I think AMD is gonna be a real surprise by the end of the day. Some companies can no longer be used as collateral as a 429. There you get exactly. Did risk management over moving any risk securities? They gotta go. You know what I mean? They got to go. Chamber Energy, you're on that list, you son of a bitch. There's a couple. There's a lot of them on there. Like, dude, I got so many trash ones over there. Like, you know, I mean, fuel cells kind of like on there too a little bit. I mean, hydrogen, you know, it's cool a little bit, but it's gotta go. It's gotta go. It was cool back in 2019 when it was at $1. Now it's like way down. I still like Plug Power though. Fucking Dead Horse, that one's gotta go. Like, I just need to concentrate mostly all of them into one. Just go after Tesla. Fuck it, if it's gonna be automotive shit. Oh shit, speaking of Tesla, where is Tesla? We're making a test near the lows, which is basically the same thing we did on Monday. Where's Monday? Right here. This was Monday, remember? When we came down and we got this crazy ass bounce off the 405. Like, we could potentially see another bounce, or it's just gonna butter and just break through those levels. Apple's coming through the high. Kind of feeling it though. This also kicks the property developers out in China to the curb with those shady fucking bonds. Anything $5 and below value for stock gets 100% value deducted. Fucking haircut. Turn that shit back. Fucking fats gotta go. It's just because there was no value. There was nobody was giving any like logical valuation on any of these companies for the last like 2 years. They were, oh, the moon. It's gonna go to the fucking moon. Just because. Like, but they're in debt. What do you mean they're gonna go to the moon? Trust me, bro. They're gonna go to the moon. I know they're in debt. That's why they're gonna go to the moon. I was like, it makes sense if you don't think about it. There was just so much money out there. Like, it was so you can go in any direction 2 years ago, and it was easy to get $100. Like, not even $1, $100 in any direction. You know how many motherfuckers invested their fucking first stimulus? They put that shit in the market immediately. And then, all the scammers, damn well the scammers put the money back into the market too, the ones that they were making back. Oh, Apple is doing what Apple does. Apple is a safe haven. Like, if you don't, I mean, hell, Apple has always been the safe haven for a long time. I just, I want to see what Apple's gonna do at the 147 area once it gets down into that range. I kind of feel like it's gonna come back into there, because where we're at right now, it just has to. I would really like it to. Damn, that's a lot of red on the week. Look at that, 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess, yeah, Apple's still hanging on. Even through all the bullshit, Apple is still, fuck it, there it goes again. Hell, those contracts are killing it right now. Oh, there it goes. These fucking Apple contracts just jumped up 300. Never mind. 492%. I got those until September fucking. When the hell did I buy the September 16th fucking Apple 200 calls? I'm still tripping out about September for Apple. Damn, Quest Therapeutic, that $1.60 contract I pay, the one I paid for $1.60 is worth nothing. It's worth nothing. The Boomer Safe Haven. Ah, damn it. He said the I ain't lying. Well, I own some Tesla too. I did. No, basically, yeah. You ain't lying to me. Hell, Apple has been just a safe haven for a while. They're still getting just beat up. Anybody who bought in the last year, or this year, anyways. But Apple has been just doing great. Can't go wrong with that. I mean, I guess you can, but you really can't. Apple's a monster. That's what we call the big dick. That's what we call the big dick right there, okay? Yeah, everything Apple. I mean, I have so much Apple product in here right now. I got that Mac. I got the Mac Mini M1. I got the fucking, that stupid ass keyboard, the mouse I never use. I got the iPod Maxes over here. Those motherfuckers were not cheap, but they slap. What else do we got in here? There's another fucking Mac. Where you at? Oh yeah, that light is fucking. Man. There's at least like 6 grand right here of Apple pro. Oh shit! And then you got the phone in there too. All right, there's a lot. Fucking Apples everywhere. I just was like, damn, it made sense to go after where my money went. So I'm like, well, shit, we buy a lot of Apple shit, so I'm just gonna go for fucking Apple. I'm liking Amazon though, because I buy a lot of crap off Amazon and I never went after it. I wish I would have, during the pandemic, just never did. Just I always thought $1,000 was expensive. Yeah, it was always over 1,000 when I first started trading. I was like, I don't know, I'm not feeling paying that much. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. But hell, it's gonna give me an opportunity to come back down to the 2018 level. That's fucking ironic. I'll buy the motherfucker at 2 grand. Maybe 1,800 if it does come. I think it was like 1,700 around there on Amazon. But they're supposed to do a split too, so it'll come down a whole lot less. See, look at that, was short-lived. Oxy and some of the other oils are starting to break out. Yeah, wheat. That little fucker. Wheat's still going. I think oil finally normalized a little bit. Like, damn, that shit looks so fucking nutty on oil. I don't know if you'd call that normal, but it has kind of like slowed down a little bit. The Boomer Safe Haven. Yeah, that shit is too fucking funny, acid. Damn it. No, I'm just curious. Where's all the buy the dippers at? Them motherfuckers are hardcore for that shit. They'll come in soon though. Watch, very very soon. Tell you what, man. All the fucking hedge funds and everybody, they are fucked. XY. I'm not even gonna lie. I wish I would have just, I would have listened to you. I should have jumped in on the UVXY. But I want to play it to the downside. That's why I'm waiting. But you definitely should have went to the upside with you. It doesn't sell anything or do anything. I mean, no. That's the crazy part about this market. Like, a lot of people don't realize that. Like, you can literally invest in fear and greed. Like, you know what I mean? And right? Like, what do you want to invest in? Whatever. There's a category out there for you. In one way or another. What, teddy bear? What's up, baby? Oh, Occidentals rejecting some kind of emission product, some bullshit. Spies back at open. I hope everybody has their seatbelt on. Or their fuck. We thought this was a rocket ship. Motherfucker lied to us. This is a fucking it's a free fall machine. What's the matter, Teddy Bear? You want to say? Oh, son of a bitch! I almost pulled the whole thing in. Oh, the door's already open. So messed up but pretty interesting. Like, I own people's fear, and yeah, bro. Like, I mean, literally. Like, I just thought of that right now. I was like, damn, bro, we can actually invest in people's fear. Like, that's what the UVXY is. Like, they don't bring anything; they just gauge fear. Wild, huh? That's fucking awesome. But it is fucking awesome to think about it that way, literally. Like, if you're a big old education freak, you can go fucking invest in the education sector and shit like that. You know what I mean? You're a big old, like, big old nerd, you can go into the tech or whatever the hell. And then the SBXY, you can go bet on people's, on their happiness. So yeah, that's all that is. SBXY and UVXY. It's crazy how they came up with these ones. There was one I was thinking of the other day. I fucking can't remember which one it was again. Of an indicator or an ETF or some shit like that to gauge. Fuck was it again? It'll come to me later. That is fucking messed up, right? But it's easy to kind of do that though a little bit. Like, once you just kind of gauge what's going on in the world, you're like, oh man, motherfucker's gonna freak out about it. Let's just go ahead and play this side. Can't believe wheat is still holding up. Like, that is like telling me, like, if wheat would have came back down to like regular levels, I would have been like, all right, cool, this is gonna be short lived. But the fact that wheat is still highly elevated, that is saying something. Like, wheat should not have done that shit, and it should not still be up there. Like, cause if this momentum was weak, it would have came back down to this area. If it was weak, it would have came back down to right here. Like, just remember, it's Happy Friday, man. Happy Friday. End of the week. This shit's almost over. We could have a whole 2 days to think about what's gonna be for the next week. SPY is just chilling back at open. Now, I mean, the best thing to happen would be like if the SPY could just chill out right here while bonds kind of catch up. Because, I mean, even though TBT's on fire, TBT's chilling out a little bit. That's good. It's good. Bad for me, but good for the market. I just realized that too. Fucking the TBT does it. It goes up when the market goes down. I was like, that makes sense now. Is wheat elevated due to the fact Russia owned most of the world's wheat and they're more expensive now due to sanctions? You can't have it, type of thing. That plays a part of it, but it's also like the drought was playing a big part. Like wheat was already getting there, and then the fact that these farmers aren't farming no more. They're out there protecting their lands and fighting and shit. And then it's data driven. Like I think a lot of people are banking on bad data to come in on the next on the next crop report, because less people out there to farm it. I mean, because the wheat's already there. It's already in the ground. They already planted it the last, what was it? It was like, what, 6 months ago? Maybe 5 months ago? It was like a month before they invaded it. So if it would have been a little bit sooner and wheat would have been growing already and they would have ran the shit over with the tanks, it would have made it a little bit more stressful. But it's just, we got to see what these farmers are doing. Are they still attacking? They still fighting? Or are they going to go back to work? It's one of those kind of deals. But yeah, the sanctions do play a big role in it. But yeah, I mean, what is it again? Fucking Ukraine. Their wheat fields are the size of Texas or some shit like that. Like no lie. You just reminded me of the jobs report today. Yeah, it was 460 some shit like that. Where was it at? This is the 391 forecast, which that came in hot. That's good. Jobs. What else was it? Oh, yeah. It wasn't too bad. Wasn't, the best, but, They stayed at 3.6 of the workforce. Oh, wait. Disappointing forecast for a drop of 3.5, so they still held that one up. Tennessee signs of wage pressure starting to ease. Average earnings rose only 0.3% on the month. Wow. Well, you know what? Rent went up a whole lot more than that for a lot of people that I know. A tick less than forecast in annual terms. Wages continue to grow at a clip of 5.5, unchanged from March. What is this motherfucker? Economics. Relative softness of wage growth has now persisted for 3 months, and it's starting to look like a trend. And yeah, what was the NAR farm roll bullshit? It's great. The participation rate fell to 62% of the working age population, breaking a sequence of 3 straight increases as the economy reopened over the previous 6 months. The rapid rise in wages and the depletion of pandemic era savings had enhanced. Many motherfuckers still got a lot of savings out there, okay? Stop it. People are kind of cash strapped right now, which is kind of mind boggling to think that they need more cash. Like, why are you selling shit? You got cash in the savings account. Do you know where that is? I think that is why the market may be taking a downturn, among other things. Oh, what happened? I think I got a lot. Oh, whoa. Got disconnected there for a minute, but it got reconnected. You know where that is? I think that's why the market may be taking a downturn. Nah, I don't even think that's... Oh, well, we do have Fed speakers supposed to come out today. It's all the bonds. The treasury yields rose to a new 3.5-year high of 3.12% after first moving down as far as 3.05. I mean, they're pretty positive numbers, though, at the end of the day. I mean, the economy looks solid. Wage growth is, I mean, it's not that bad. It's all, I mean, I think it's all pointed to energy prices and everything else. Just the price of shit is just way the fuck up. Damn, man, that dude got a point right there, man. He said keep driving those V8s. Yeah, fuck. Why gotta be a dickhead for? Why gotta be a dickhead for? Next week might be a bloodbath leading up. Yeah, like And it's May. Don't forget. Don't forget, everybody. It's May. Sell in May. Go away.